Hi, I'm Scott Royer, Royer Trailer Sales. We've got a lot of equipment trailers here in stock. Today, I want to show you one that I'm really excited about. It's really heavy duty built. If you've got some serious work to do on the job, this is going to be a good trailer for you. It's Liberty Equipment. It's got a heavy duty I-beam frame main construction. It's really stout built. It's got Demco coupler, which is the smoothest, easiest working coupler out there. It's got a sealed wiring harness, really help keep all that wiring protected and stop you from getting shorts so easily and various wiring issues. Into the plug, it's a magnet, so stick right there out of the way. When you've got the trailer parked in the lot or out in the job site, keep that from ending up laying down in the mud and the grime. It's got a nice oversized toolbox that sits low profile. It's got plenty of room on the top with this lip around the edge. And then just a ton of room inside for your straps, chains, binders, whatever you need to get the job done. It's a 12,000 pound Ram jack. One other thing I'll point out, this breakaway cable, it's got the Fastway breakaway. So this is nice, it'll retract and keep that from dragging on the ground like a lot of other breakaway cables that can catch on stuff. They'll come with the spare tire mount. It's got fork holders here with D-rings to hold that in place. That way your forks don't have to take up space on the bed. You can put them in there and strap them down. You've got steps both in front of and behind the fender. Nice heavy duty fenders that are bolt on. If you do get into the fender and need to replace it, or if you need to remove the fender for whatever reason, that can be done fairly easily. It's got Dexter 7,000 pound axles in this particular trailer. This trailer is going to have a gross vehicle weight rating of 15,400 pounds, so a lot of carrying capacity. But as equipment gets bigger, if you do need a little more than that, we also have this trailer with 8,000 pound oil bath axles, which is going to give you a 17,200 pound gross vehicle weight rating. We've got the full width fold over ramps on this particular trailer, which give you a lot of versatility. The extra width is going to make it super nice when you're loading and backing equipment off. It's just a lot safer and a lot easier to load. And then also, if you need the extra flat deck for lay material when they lay over, it gives you that as well. All LED lights all around. Just a really nice trailer with some nice features. And we've got several in stock, along with plenty of other options. And we've got other ramp options as well if you need stand-up ramps. So come on out and see us at Royer Trailer Sales.